Hello students, up till now we have studied the Coulomb's law and electric field intensity due to the various types of charge distribution. Similarly, Gauss law and its application under the various charge distribution are also discussed in the module 1. Now in this module 2, that is nothing but energy and potential, conductors and dielectrics, the important concept related to electric field is discussed, which is nothing but electric potential. Now electric scalar potential can be conveniently used to obtain the electric field intensity. This is another method of obtaining vector field E from the electric scalar potential, right? So therefore the other parameters such as potential difference, the relation between electric field intensity and the electric potential, the potential gradient are also discussed in this chapter. Before defining a electric potential, let us study the work in moving the charge in the electric field. So we first go through the chapter 4, that is energy and potential. So here first point we study the energy expended in moving a point charge in an electric field. The electric field intensity was defined as a force on unit test charge at that point where we wish to find the value of electric field intensity. So what is electric field definition? It is nothing but a force on unit test charge at that point where we wish to find out the value of electric field intensity. Now if you want to move the test charge against the electric field, we have to exert a force equal and opposite in magnitude to that exerted by a field. So you must expend energy or you have to do work. So that is what is called as energy expended in moving a point charge in an electric field, right? So is it clear? So that is what electric field intensity, definition. Now I want to we have to move the test charge against the electric field, right? So we need to have an work to be done. So to move the charge in the direction of electric field, our energy expenditure turns out to be negative. We do not do the work, the field does, right? But to move a charge a distance dl in an electric field, the force on a q arising from the electric field is Fe is equal to QE. So the component of this force in the direction dl is, so component if you want to calculate, that will become FEL. That is nothing but Fe dot AL. That is Fe is nothing but QE dot AL, right? Now the force that we apply must be equal and opposite to the force exerted by the field. So therefore force applied is nothing but equal to minus QE dot AL, because it should be opposite and equal, right? So the differential work done by external source to Q is equal to dW is equal to minus QE dot AL dl, right? So that is nothing but equal to minus QE dot dl. This is what differential work done. Right now if E and L are perpendicular, the differential work will be 0, right? So here the differential work can be estimated, right? So therefore now the work required to move a charge a finite distance is determined by the integration. So previous equation you have to integrate. So therefore we get W is equal to integration over initial condition to final condition dW. So therefore W is equal to minus Q integration of initial condition to final condition E dot dl. So this is the equation for work done required to move a charge a finite distance, right? The path must be specified beforehand. So the path is required to calculate the work done, and also charge is assumed to be at rest at both initial condition and final condition. So charge is always considered to be as rest. Now if W is greater than 0 means we expend the energy or do work. If W is less than 0 means the field expends energy or do work, right? So this is what a topic energy expended in moving a point charge in the electric field. So energy expended means is expressed in terms of work done. So the equation will be W minus Q integration over initial to final E dot dl. This is one of the equation, and also you can have a equation of differential work dW, and also force arised due to moving a charge, that is Fe is equal to QE. So these are some important equation in this energy expended in moving a point charge in an electric field. Okay, thank you.